Here I am taking A4 size papers. I am measuring 25 mm with scale and mark the points for 25 mm strip. Make how many you want. Now mark with scale. And cut it. Now the strip is ready. Make some more. Now join 25 mm strips. 5 strips you join. Now take a Fevicol bottle and roll it. Here I am taking total 5 strips. Wrap it. Apply glue. Here the base is ready. Now join 5 mm strips of 22. Make 2 tight coils of same. Now make a little dome shape. Now apply glue on it. Now connect to the base. Now connect other tight coil. Now take a piece of paper and apply glue on it. Now wrap to the body to cover it. Now the base is ready. Now join 5 mm 16 strips per face of 2 tight coils and make a deep dome. It will be the face of Lord Jagannathji. Do it slowly. Now the face is ready. Apply glue on it. Make a little dome shape. It will be the head of Lord Jagannathji. Apply glue on it. Now connect the 2 domes. Now connect to the base. Now for hands, join 25 mm strip of 1 strip. Roll it. It will be the hands of Lord Jagannathji. Make 2 hands and apply glue and connect to the body. Now hands are ready. For crown, join 3 mm of 4 strips. It will be the crown of Lord Jagannathji and make a deep dome. Apply glue. Now connect to the body. Now the Jagannathji is ready. Now join 20 mm 5 strips and roll it. Here I am taking 5 strips. Here I am making Subhadraji. Now join 5 mm 22 strips. Make a 2 torque coils. Apply glue on it. Apply glue. Now connect to the base. Now make a little dome shape. Apply glue. Now connect to the base. Now take one piece of paper and apply glue on it and wrap to the base neatly. Apply glue and close it. Here the base is ready. Now we are making face. For this, join 5 mm 15 strips and make a deep dome shape. Apply glue on it. It will be the face of Lord Subhadraji. And for head, make a little dome shape and apply glue on it and connect with the dome. Face is ready. Now connect to the base. And make a tight coil. Here I joined 3 mm 4 strips and make a little dome shape, and it will be the crown for Subhadraji, and connect glue. Now Subhadraji is ready. Now paint the body with orange color as your wish. Complete it. Now I am taking another color of green. And make some design shape. Here I am using acrylic paints. For face I am using black color. Now color the crown. Now underline with dark color. Now paint the hands neatly. Now paint the head part also. Now make some designs on the body. It will be the dress of Lord Jagannathji, and decorate with some paint. Now make a red color and make underlines. Now the paint and make a garland. Now make eyes with red color. Now paint the mouth. Now underline with red color. Now mark the eyebrows. Now the doll is ready. Lord Jagannathji is ready. Now make a same procedure for Balramji as the Jagannathji made. Use same strips and same measurements for making Balramji. I have painted Subhadraji. Now the dolls are ready. Now Jagannathji, Subhadraji and Balramji is ready. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends.